Qingdao Hytang Hand Truck Company Limited is located in Jiangnan, Qingdao. We mainly produce tires, wheelbarrows, metal products, garden tools, and related spare parts. We have tens of workers and hundreds of product models. We export quality products to more than 50 countries and areas. With competitive prices and excellent services, we have accumulated rich export experience and received good feedback from customers. Credit, integrity, understanding, excellence, unity, and responsibility have been part of Hytang Company. Beliefs and convictions from our earliest days continue to guide and drive our business. We warmly welcome your visit and cooperation with us in the near future.